People who are seeking to lead the country now, they benefited. When I said that they benefited, they became millionaires and billionaires on the backs of the people. When they carried an economic policy called the high interest rate policy, which helped to drive up the debt, where one of their own MPs described it in a way, and I can only say he's an honest man, a man of the cloth, when he spoke about the high interest rate policy, that some of them who want to lead the country today, they benefited from it, and their own person, their own member of parliament at the time described it as the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich. And I have no doubt that that is what they want to come back to do to the Jamaican economy. I have no doubt that that is what they want to do, to come and get wealthy on the backs of the poor. I will not allow that to happen again in this country. And I hope that my voice is carrying. To the halls around here, so that those youngsters who don't know their history, who are brainwashed and misled, can understand that the real power is right here in this room with the young